will now be recorded.
Okay, so let me go Visual Studio Code. Welcome Mohansh Technologies, and today we are going to be starting with CSS. Let me close the HTML folder, open the CSS folder, take a new notes. Yeah, so inside the CSS, I'm taking the notes, guys. Okay, so CSS. Is this font is okay?
So HTML completed.
HTML completed. CSS is
Sorry.
cascading. HTML completed. CSS
Okay.
is cascading style sheets. CSS is cascading style sheets. CSS using for styling pages. CSS is not programming. CSS is syntax. CSS work on HTML only. CSS files will save. CSS files will save with the .css format. .css format. Okay, so Excel files will save with .xls. Text files will save with .txt. PDF files will save with .pdf. In the same time, HTML files will save with .html, Python files will save with .py, Java files will save with .java. At the same time, CSS files will save with .css format. CSS is cascading style sheets. CSS using for styling pages. It is not programming. It is just a syntax. CSS works on HTML only, on top of the HTML only. So you cannot write CSS directly. First, you need to write the HTML. For that HTML, you need to apply the CSS. For that HTML, you need to apply the CSS. Let me show. So whenever you are writing some HTML content, HTML tags, whatever the tags it may be a paragraphs, it may be a headings, it may be a forms, it may be a tables, it may be a different kind of elements. On top of this HTML only, you need to apply the CSS. On top of the HTML only, you need to apply the CSS. And later on, JavaScript will come into the picture. Later on, JavaScript come into the picture. JavaScript on top of HTML and CSS. JavaScript on top of the HTML and CSS. So first of all, who is the root for all these things? Who is the root for all these things?
HTML.
HTML only.
HTML.
On top of this, you will be having
Yes,
some other libraries like on top of the JavaScript, some other libraries like React or Angular or Vue.js or React.js, Node.js. Okay, these are the multiple other JavaScript related libraries or frameworks which are available. Those are all working on top of this HTML, CSS, JavaScript only. Knockout.js, Express.js. It's a connectivity. Okay, so finally, browser
So
understands.
all these web pages development, or
Yeah, web page development.
all this React, Angular, Vue, or
Yes, yes,
Node.js. Okay.
yes. And finally, Node is actually server side, not front end side. There is a difference between the front end and back end in the full stack. Later, I will tell you in the part of JavaScript. HTML only go to the browser, sir. So finally, browser show the web application. We already know HTML render with the browser. We already know. Previously, we done a lot of HTML tags. When we write a tag, we are going with the live server or we are connecting with the live server. And the live server opens a browser, default browser, whatever you have. Finally, HTML will go to the browser. But on top of the HTML, there are some flavors. One flavor is CSS, one flavor is JavaScript. On top of that, there are some modern flavors like React, Angular, Vue.js. Finally, end of the day, HTML only go to the browser. Am I clear? This is the point you need to understand. Browser understands only HTML. Browser don't understand other flavors. But flavors, okay, flavors on top of the HTML. Now we are entering into the part of CSS. Okay, I already told you. HTML only for design purpose, CSS only for styling purpose, JavaScript for functioning purpose, functioning the web page, and these React, Angular, Vue, Node, all these things, modern functioning, super fast functioning, modern functioning parts, modern functioning part. Nowadays, all the pages, all the applications are SPS, single page applications. So that single page application, what is a single page application? All these things, when I come to the JavaScript, I will explain you. No worries.
What is
Right?
functioning?
Functioning means something like it is listening. For example, let me tell you, if I'm searching for Amazon.in, it is listening me. If I'm asking about Amazon.in in browser, it is listening me. It is taking my request and it will give me the response. That is actually functioning. Okay, if I am searching for laptop, it is taking my request. Taking the request is one function, and listening the request is one function. Sending the request to the server is one function. Getting the data from the server is one function, and again displaying the data is one function. Simply within 1 second, we are searching the laptops and we are seeing the laptops. Simply within 1 second, we are searching for laptops and we are seeing the number of laptops here. But all these things are functioning. Your page is functioning. Your page is connecting with internet. There is a mediator between this client. This is client actually. Whatever you can see here, it is client. There is a something behind of this client is something like server and database. That is called functioning. How the connections are going establishing, how the request is taking, how the response is coming, how the button is clicking. For example, today's deals, how the button is clicking here. When I click on the button, something is happening. That is functioning. When I choose the brand here, Apple, that is happening. Something is actually showing. Every action you do on top of the web page is actually a functioning part. Every action user can do with mouse or keyboard. Getting my point?
Thank you. Thank you.
Right. Come to the point. Okay, so on top of this HTML, we are going to be having the CSS. CSS only for styling purpose. Okay, so how to write this CSS on top of the HTML? How to inject CSS to this HTML? We have to go through. Okay, CSS we can write in 3 ways. CSS we can write in 3 ways. 3 ways. The one is inline CSS. The one is internal CSS. The one is external CSS. Okay. What about inline CSS? What about internal CSS? What about external CSS? I will give you one general example. Okay, there is one college is available. There is one BTech college is available. In BTech college, there are multiple branches. Treat like BTech college's application. Treat like BTech college's application. Okay. In BTech college, there are a number of branches available like CSE, ECE, EEE, IT, and AI, data science, and blockchain, and this cybersecurity. There are multiple branches which are going to be available. Treat like college is total BTech college's application. Every branch is a page. Every branch is a page. But in each and every branch, students are available. Each and every branch, students are available. Those students are actually called elements. Treat like students are elements, branches are pages, college is application. Getting my point? First of all, treat like total college is application. Treat like every branch is a page. Treat like student is element. Okay, thousands of students which are going to be available in the college. Thousands of elements which are going to be available in the application, but application have multiple pages. I have the home page, I have the contact us page, I have the payment gateway page, I have the product detail page, I have the home page, I have the description page. See, there are a number of pages. Facebook is actually maintaining 80,000 plus pages inside. Amazon is maintaining like 1 lakh plus pages inside. Pages, internal pages. Okay, so if I am writing CSS, if we are providing style for individual student, in college multiple branches are available, but in multiple branches multiple students are available. For each and every student, if I apply a style, that is called inline style. It means what? It means what? Specific element specific CSS. It is actually element specific. Element specific means what? Student by student, student by student, different styles. Okay, you come up with your own dress, you come up with your own glasses, you can come up with your own style. That is actually inline. No, there is a rule. There is a rule internal. Every branch can have a different style. For example, CSC people come with the white and white. ECE people come with the white shirt and black pant. Triple E people come with the black and black. See, there are different branch wise style if I apply. Branch wise style if I apply. That is a page specific CSS. Page specific CSS. That is actually called internal CSS. Getting my point? Inline is element to element. Element to element you are providing the style, that is inline CSS. Page by page you are providing the style, that is internal CSS. Throughout the college one dress code. Throughout the college one single dress code is actually there. That is called external CSS. Nowadays, which is the famous one? You take one college. You take one college. Total college have single dress code or not? Total college single dress code or not? If some holiday is there, holiday announcement is there, that holiday announcement applicable for all the college or one simple branch?
All the college.
The college.
Mm, all the college. External CSS application specific CSS in real time also. This is the important thing. Application level CSS, application specific CSS. That is the external CSS. In real time, external CSS only important thing. But anyway, I will teach you inline CSS. I will teach you internal CSS. Anyway, I want to teach you external CSS. Finally, end of the day, in real time, people will use external CSS only. Then you can ask a question, sir, how to write this internal, how to write this inline, how to write this external. Remember, inline, line by line, we are writing internal, page specific, page by page, we are writing external. Means it is somewhere. Some rules and regulations are actually in the file called file.css. That file.css is applicable for the total program, total pages. That is called external CSS. So one by one we will see how
Can
we
you
can
write
write.
that analogies are here for reference? Like college is equal to application, branch
Yeah,
is equal to.
I will write a student. Okay, student. Okay, every student writing a style means that is a inline. Uh, a branch a branch have the style. A branch have the style, that is a internal. Total college have the style. Total college have the style. That is a, so here I can have a number of branches. Huh? I can have a number of branch one, branch two. Okay, let me write down something like a CSC branch, ECE branch, and Triple E branch, and IT branch, and DS branch, data science branch, blockchain branch, and AI branch. There are multiple branches in the college. Student, student means what? In CSC, 300 people are there. In ECE, 400 people are there. In Triple E, 100 people are there. In IT, 200 people are there. In DS, 500 people are there. Blockchain, 500 people are there. AI, thousand people are there. All these are actually students. For each and every student, if I am writing the style, that is different. It is actually lengthy process. Am I right or not? Okay, branch wise, little bit simple. Page wise, writing CSS, little bit simple. Okay, the total college, one style, if I apply, the total college, one style will apply. This automatically apply for CSE, ECE, EEE, IT, DS, BC, AI. Obviously, it will applicable for all the students. Okay, let me go with inline CSS first. How to write inline CSS in a HTML, in the part of CSS. Okay, how to inject this inline CSS. Inline CSS, I already told element specific. For example, you have the page. Okay, so there is something like index.html. In index.html, I am writing multiple elements. I am writing at least I am writing 3-4 elements here. Web development, that is the first element, and one more element I am writing H2. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. That is the one more element, and I'm writing H3. Uh, learn learn by experience. Learn by experience. This is the one more line I'm writing. Okay, 3 elements I'm writing. Clear? Okay, so for each and every element,
So what is
I want
element?
element is tag. This one. H1 is one
Okay.
element. H2 is one element. H3 is one element. Okay, come to the H1. I will write down the style tag. And for this H1, I need to apply the color called red. My first web development should see in the red color. I want to see the first element in the red color. Web development, I want to see in the red color. Mohansh Technologies. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. This is also one attribute called style. Attribute always in the open tag. Don't write in the closed tag. And this is also needed a color. This will be in the blue color. And the third element, third element style, this one I want to provide a color green. Now, three elements are three different colors. Three elements are three in different colors. So, semicolon. Every attribute, whenever you are writing the attribute, please go with the semicolon. First of all, style attribute is for element level attribute, and this attribute is internally for the style in the double quotes. You have to give the double quotes or single quotes also applicable. No problem. Okay. Can I write the program for this? Inline CSS. Three elements are there. Three elements are three in different color. Three in different colors. Just right now I am giving only color, but there are multiple style properties are there, like font size, font style, font weight, like that. There are a number of properties are there. Right now, for your understanding purpose, I am taking only color attribute. Okay, let me write down inline CSS first of all. Let me open this and CSS only. Inline CSS dot html. Every file is HTML file. Remember, if you want to render in the browser, you need to create the HTML file only. Even JavaScript, if you want to write, you need to write the HTML only. .html only. Okay, this is the inline CSS. For inline CSS, let me take a inline CSS. Let me take the same code, whatever I written here. H1 I taken, H2 I taken, H3 I taken. Three headings are there. First heading in one different style. Second element in one different style. Third element in one different style. Three different elements, three different styles. Finally, right click on this, open with live server. You can see that you have three elements in the page, three elements in the branch. Page is like a branch. Three students are there. Three students are in three different color shirts. The first student wear red color shirt. Second student wear the blue color shirt. Third student wear in the green color shirt. By seeing the college example. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear,
Yes,
everyone?
sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Let me take a one more paragraph. I'm taking a paragraph here. Paragraph is one more element. Paragraph is the one more element. For this paragraph also, I want to apply one more style. Paragraph for color. I want to take the paragraph in the brown color. Let me go with the brown color. Take the paragraph in the brown color. Even paragraph come into the picture, paragraph taken a different color. 4 elements, 4 students, 4 different individual colors. They got applied. They wear a shirt in the different colors. This is inline. For example, you have 1000 elements in the page. 1000 students are in the page. 1000 times you need to write the style attribute. 1000 students are there. 1000 times I need to write the style attribute. Every time we need to write a style attribute in the code. This is nonsense. Nobody will use this. Nobody will use this. What is the better way? Compared to the inline CSS, what is the better way? Branch wise. Go with the branch wise style. Go with the branch wise style. That is internal CSS. That is the internal CSS. Go with the branch wise style. Why I need to write element by element? My time is wasting. I don't want to write a style tag for each and every element. Better I can go with the internal. So what is the internal CSS? How to write internal CSS, for example? Okay, I have the internal CSS right now. Theoretically, I will explain first, then I'll go to the program. Internal CSS. How to write internal CSS? Writing internal CSS is very simple. In your index.html, let me have these 3 elements as usual. These 3 elements as usual. Okay, I don't want to write this one inline style. I don't want to write this one inline style. I don't want to write this one inline style. Okay, no style applied. No style applied. But this first page index.html, I need to write down the style using with the style tag, not style attribute. Style attribute is different, style tag is different. Attribute is available in the element, tag is available in the page. Tag is available in the page, attribute available in the element. Okay, now what my requirement is, I want to apply for all these 3 students one color or individual color, whatever you want. For example, I want to apply H1, H2, H3. 3 students go with a red color. Come with a red color to the class. H1, H2, H3 come with the red color. But here there is a concept called curly braces. These curly braces actually called selector. These curly braces selector syntax. H1, H2, H3 selecting from page. Selecting from the page. I'm calling. Come H1. Come into the sit. Come sit in the style. H2. Come sit into the style. H3. Come sit into the style. Please go ahead with the red color. But it should be inside the style tag. It should be inside the style tag. Don't go out of the style. Don't go out of the style. Please come up with the color red. You three people are actually for the branch called this branch is something like CSC branch. CSC branch. CSC.html. Go with the CSC branch, red color. Okay, let me have the one more branch. Let me have the one more branch. ECE branch. ECE.html. ECE.html, I will give the green color. CSC branch, I am giving red color dress. ECE branch, I am giving green color dress. Can I create these 2 elements now? 2 pages now? CSC and ECE? I don't want to write like a triple IT, all this thing. Just try to understand with 2 pages. One is a CSC.html, one is a ECE.html. Can I take these 2 HTMLs now?
Yes.
Okay, so let me have new. Save it as okay csc.html for your reference purpose. Nodes and programs should be same. And let me have this, and this is csc and body. What is the body here? CSC completely this one. Observe one thing. observe one thing. I am not writing any style for the element level. In element level, any style is available? In H1 or H2?
No.
Element level, I am not writing any style, sir. I am writing style only in the style tag. Style tag is actually internal. Style tag is internal. Internal style. Internal means only page level. Page level. This page is actually CSC page. This page is actually CSC page. Okay, I want to go with the CSC people. Come with the red color shirt. Okay, execute it. Execute it. Open with the live server. All your elements are coming with one color or not? One color or not? This is the way of
Yes,
this
sir.
is the way of writing. This is the way of writing internal style. Internal style writing is very simple. Don't confuse with the style attribute and the style tag. Attribute is different. Attribute is available in the element level. Tag is actually available in the page level. Okay, clear. Let me go with the one more page called
The
ECE.
H1 are also called as a tags only, right? Header tags, kind of like that.
Yeah, everything
I'm
is
just
tag. Everything is tag. H1 is tag. H2 is tag. H3 is tag. Body is the tag. Head is the tag.
you are
Style is the
saying
tag.
element is on the something you are saying,
Sir,
sir. That
sir,
lines are confused.
tag and element both are same.
Okay.
Tag and element both are same.
So something we written above the style is called an element. Is that the way that we
No, no,
need to
no, no,
remember?
no, 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 no. Everything is element. Everything is element. Every tag is element. This is
Okay.
element. This is
Yes.
element. This is
Yes.
element. And this one is element. And
Okay.
this body is element. Everything is element. Everything is tag. Tag and element both are same. Remember. Some people
Okay.
call tag. Some people call element.
Okay.
Don't confuse about it.
Okay.
Okay. Inside the tag, whatever you are writing, that is attribute. For example, a person is there. Person have some name. Person have some age. Person have some color. Person have some identity card. And person have some height, weight, and gender. All these things are attributes of the person. Suppose here there is a meta tag or meta element. So for this meta tag, we have the attribute called name, and meta we have the attribute called context. These are called attributes. How the person have gender, how the person have age, how the person have height, weight, same kind. Remember, you compare with the general way, then you clearly understand all these things. Everybody getting understand? Govinda Babu, Prakash, Rohit, Sai, Sindhuja, Tamal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any confusions are there? HTML is simple, CSS is simple. My simple question.
Say like open your web page, sir. Like just now we have built it, right?
Mm.
So here, what is attribute
Where
in this page?
in this page, this is
In this
attribute.
case, this is attribute.
Name is attribute.
Name is attribute.
Context is attribute. And here color is attribute.
Okay.
Okay. And equal to here this for this attribute we have to give the value with equal to. And in the part of CSS there is no equal to. In the part of CSS only colons to give the value. For color red. For example, gender male, gender female,
Hmm. So
something like
gender is an attribute.
that. Gender is an attribute. Male is the value. Female is the value.
Okay.
Okay, write down. So next I want to create the new page. That page should be for ECE. Okay, let me create a ECE page now. ECE.html. Again, shift 1. This is a page related ECE. Okay, so I have the body. I need to copy the ECE related content. Paste here. And we should have run option. Go to the live server. All these are okay. CSC people coming with the red color, ECE people coming with the green color. Why not? Getting understand?
Yes.
That's good. Next, the last thing is External CSS. This is very, very important. In the real time, this is the most important thing people will use. In the real time, most people will write only external CSS. External CSS is actually, I told, application specific CSS. Specific CSS. It means your CSC, your ECE, your EEE, your IT, your data science, your blockchain. You have the different branches in the college, and your cybersecurity. These are the branches in the college. These are the branches in the college. For all these branches, you write only one style, that is file dot something, whatever the name you want, you can give. Dot CSS you can write. File dot CSS you can create separately. Then this file dot CSS should have some content. This file dot CSS have some rules. Okay, have some style attributes. Style attributes. Okay, something like it may have a color, it may have a font. We can provide color, we can provide some font, we can provide some different blah blah blah. But whatever the file.css we have here, first of all, this I need to inject for the CSC. Without injecting, it will not work out. And we need to inject in the ECE. We have to follow the what is called circular. In the college, there is a rule actually got created. In the college, there is a rule got created. That rule actually circular need to be passed for every branch or not. That circular need to be passed for the every branch or not. So whatever
Yes.
the styles, whatever the rules and regulations they have in the part of CSS, we need to inject for the HTML files. The DS also we need to apply. The DS also we need to apply. And yeah, very good. I am clearly writing the notes. I am clearly delivering the thing. If you have still confusions, you can ask me in that comment box in the YouTube, or you can ask me right now. Yeah. For all the branches, I need to inject this. Then what is the injection process, sir? How to inject this? What is the injection process? Okay, let me take this one, csc.html here, or csc. Yeah, I'll take csc.html. One file I will explain. Remaining you can do practice. Okay, let me do with the triple.html. There is a one triple.html. Okay, in triple.html there are multiple elements. In triple.html there are multiple elements. Okay, so here, welcome to Mohansh. Welcome to Mohansh, and I will be having multiple elements. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's cool. But I don't have any inline here. I don't have any internal here. I don't have any style tag also in triple.html. But I written already file.css. Somewhere I am returning file.css. Let me write down the file.css here. File.css. Inside the file.css, I am writing a style sheet h1 color blue. h1 color blue. I am writing some style sheet in the file.css. But this file.css I need to inject to the triple. How to inject? Very simple, straightforward. Linking relevant HTML, relevant style, and href is attribute, and href reference. What is the reference name? File.css. This is self-closed tag. This HTML now linking with what? This triple.html linking with what?
File.css.
File.css.
File.css what contained with? What is the file.css behavior now?
Color blue.
Color blue. Color blue for what? All the H1s. Go for select all the H1s and give the color blue. That's all. That is external. That is external. Okay, not only triple, there is another branch. There is another branch like CS branch. Okay, let me go like Data science branch. Okay, let me go for the data science branch. Even for the data science branch also some people are available. Even data science branch also some people are available. Few people are available. In the data science branch also some people are available. Here also I need to call the style. The same rule, the same file.css. I need to link, I need to inject. So by programmatically, by theoretically, I explained here. You have multiple branches. For all the branches, you need to give the file.css, file.css, file.css reference. You need to give the reference. Injection. Without that injection, the file need to inject here. CSS file need to inject in the HTML. Every HTML page, I need to inject the file.css, whatever the file name you create. Then only external will work out. External will work out. In real time, all the styles will be there in the single file. That file, whatever the name of the file you want, you can create it. All your web pages related styles will be available in the single page. That is the flexibility of the CSS. Am I clear? Can I write down now? Let me go with the triple E. Let me go with the triple E. Let me create a triple E.html. I will prepare one more triple E and what is this? Data science, DS. Data science.html also I'll create. Triple E.html. For triple E.html, okay, this is the triple E page. For triple E page, what is the content? This is the content. Copy it. Where is this one? Okay, copy it and paste it. But I don't have any file.css, kada? I don't have any file.css. I don't have any file.css. Can I create file.css right now?
Yes.
Yes, sir. You can
Yes,
create.
sir. Yes.
Before that I'm giving the reference, but now I need to create the file.css. Without having the file.css, you cannot do anything. Okay, file name your wish, sir. File name, whatever the name you want, you can give. You can give your name, but in the real time, my style.css is the genuine name, or my style is good actually. Okay, file dot. Let me give the my style only. Let me give my style dot css. So till now we know about the .html concepts, but first time I am writing the .css file. First time I am writing .css file. Okay, write down my style.css. Okay, so for all the elements, all the h1s, go with the color blue. Now triple.html is available. My style.css is available. Already linking. My linking name is different. Okay, I don't link right now. Now, if you execute the triple.html, what is the triple.html? Look and feel black and white. Black and white cinema. My triple.html, if I execute, what is the output? Output is black and white cinema. I don't have any colors and all. But style I need to import na. I need to link na. How to link? Link relevant style sheet. Relevant style sheet. Okay. What is the reference? Reference attribute is href. And what is the file name? Automatically coming. My style.css. When I give my style.css here, then obviously you refresh your automatically came blue color came. Automatically blue color came. And these people are actually triple E branch people. These people are triple E branch people. Triple E branch. Okay. Triple E branch. Branch. What is the spelling? Branch. Correct. Now you can see this triple E branch. Can I go with one more branch? Data science branch. Data science ds.html. Data science branch. Data science branch also. This is the DS branch. Execute the DS branch also. Okay. Triple is working with the blue. Data science also working with the blue. Let me take the file and DS. Now this title is actually showing on the tab. Okay. This is the triplet. This is the DS. Both are having same style. Triplet branch blue. DS branch also blue. Can you see? But how many times I am writing the style sheet here? Only one time. Only one time. Okay. All these two pages, my text alignment should be center. All these two pages, my text alignment should be center. Save it. Whenever you are writing something, please save it. Okay. One more style applied. One style is color. Another style is align center. Align center. Okay. One more style I want to apply. Font style italic. Single file I am changing, but all the pages are affecting. Single file I am changing, all the pages are affecting. This is a good or bad? Single file I am changing,
Good,
all
sir.
the pages are affected. This is the right way. This is the right way in the real time. Single page I am changing the styles, all the pages are getting affected. Why? Because of all the pages are actually linking with the same style file. All the pages are linking with the same style file. That is the only the reason. That is the only the reason. Am I clear, everyone? The one by one, inline, internal, external. Do practice well. If you don't do practice, definitely you forgot. Sir, programming means practice. Even anything, programming, non-programming, anything is practice required. Even you go with IAM technologies like PingFederate, Ping Access, all these things also, you should be need a practice. If you don't do practice, obviously the things will be forgot. By the class listening time, it is like a movie. It is like a OG movie. But after the class, if you don't practice it, you cannot able to understand. And one more small announcement, actually, I want to tell you people. There is a October 20th, we are going to be starting 45 days Marna full stack with MLAI free session 12 to 1, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Yes. And one more session we are going to be starting 45 days Python full stack with MLAI. That is also free 11 p.m. to 12 p.m. You can inform with your friends. You people can inform with your friends. Okay. This is a bomb blast. This is a bigger bomb blast on Diwali. On Diwali day, Mohansh is going to be blasting the things, and we have to challenge all the organizations, all the training institutions, and all the training sectors. The training mafia which is going to be happening, people are charging like lakhs of rupees. Some people are charging 50,000. Some people are charging, Madhapur people are charging 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh for Mern stack, for Python full stack. I am targeting next wave also. Next wave also, they are charging a lot of rupees, and they are providing multiple ads. If you open the YouTube, next wave, anywhere, somewhere Edureka, somewhere Simply Learn, somewhere this one, what is called? I don't remember the names. So scalar kind of things. So many advertisements. People will go for only advertisements. People are not going for. Sir, Mohansh Technologies target is don't waste students' money. At the same time, don't waste students' time also. End of the day, Mohan's targeting is people want to, everybody coming to the Mohan's, they have to go with the job. They have to finish the things with the job. You people are lucky people, and you people are attending a lot of free sessions, and you people are coming to the lot of other free sessions, and we are actually blasting the things. We are not charging lakhs of rupees. We are not charging even 1 rupee from you people. 45 days Marna full stack MLAI free 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. I was the trainer for that. Mohansh is the trainer for that. 45 days Python full stack with MLAI free 11 p.m. to 12 p.m. Again, Mohansh is a trainer. Mohansh need to evaporate the world, establish in the world in the online classes, online platform. Mohansh is the only online platform who is first time providing full stack free. Okay, so I did not listen this kind of word in the world. First time I'm listening. Mohansh is provided first time full stack with MLAI. Not only general full stack. People are actually treating general full stack in the organizations, but Mohan's target is only MLAI integrated full stack. Why? Because of companies are actually recruiting the things. Do you know ML? Do you know machine learning? They're actually asking the questions. Do you have any knowledge on artificial intelligence? Nowadays, all the software industries, all the technologies getting engaged with, getting mixed with AI, AI, AI. AI is emerging. AI is emerging. That is going to be involving in the part of the testing. That is going to be involving in the part of Excel also. Excel also AI. Excel, you know Excel, huh? MS Office Excel. Every software which is integrating with AI. Even you open Google, Google is also integrated with AI. Google search. If you open the Google search, anyone open Google search, you feel like this Google is also integrating with AI. When I am searching for something, okay, show me full stack training, full stack training. Okay, can you see this AI? This is AI overview. Google also using AI searching, AI deep search. If you ask more and more, dive deeper in AI mode. Dive deeper in AI mode. This is thinking and this is giving lot of information to you, sir. In real time, all applications, even SAP applications are migrating with AI. Cloud applications migrating with AI, and blockchain applications migrating with AI. Cybersecurity applications migrating with AI. Every industry is migrating with AI. So that is the very reason Mohan's target is we have to teach full stack, MERN full stack with AI, ML. Same time, Python full stack, ML, AI. Free. No, no need to pay. No need to pay. Okay, so please share with your friends.
Share with your friends.
Okay,
So one,
So one,
can we cope up with AI and ML by that time?
sir, noise, Rohit, noise, very high noise. Rohit, tell me. Tell me, Rohit. Somebody is talking. Sindhuja talking. Please ask your questions. Sindhuja, do you have any questions?
Can we cope up with AI and ML by that time? By October 20th? With Python and Mount Stack, full stack, right?
Yes,
So we are
yes.
not aware of that, right? Also.
Sir, for
Sir,
Python full
for
stack,
Python full stack,
Mon stack with MLAI is exclusive class. I will upload one video today. You can just go through that. What the content I want to explore for those two classes: Python full stack MLAI, Modern stack MLAI. That is an end-to-end application like Amazon, end-to-end application like Flipkart, end-to-end application like Book My Show. You can able to create. Okay,
I will
so I will upload two more videos today. You just go through the videos. You can able to understand what the content there I will explore with. That 45 days class is also free. You can attend free.
I think his question is like we are attending this Python and HTML, right, sir, 7 to 9. So
Hmm.
with this knowledge, are we eligible, or can we understand that Man full stack and Python full,
Definitely,
or
definitely,
okay?
definitely.
So
See
within 10 days we are going.
why I started this particular two batches, two programming batches. My target is that only. These two are very important there. For Python full stack, Python is needed. For Python full stack, HTML, CSS, the JavaScript needed. For MERN stack, definitely HTML, CSS, JavaScript needed. Everywhere HTML, CSS, JavaScript needed, sir. Every full stack, HTML, CSS, JavaScript prerequisites. For Python full stack, this prerequisite plus Python prerequisite, both are covering 7 a.m. class, 8 a.m. class. Python and this class attending people are lucky people. Somewhat you can able to easily understand Python full stack. Marn stack people also lucky people. Why? Because of here we are covering like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript parallelly. It is not a big deal. You people eligible, definitely, 100%, 200%.
Got it. Thank you.
That is the very reason 20 days before I started this kind of sessions, free sessions.
Okay.
Okay, so thanks for everyone, and like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel,
One
and
question. One
yes, please
question.
go ahead, go ahead.
We are calling it as an external, right? Inline, internal, and external. Is this the reason? Because that file.css is we are calling from external resource and injecting. Is that the reason?
Yes,
It
that
is
is the
called
only
as
reason.
external. Okay.
Yes, that is the only reason it is calling as external.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, so please like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel, and please share with your friends also, guys. And comments are needful actually. People are not commenting. Even yesterday I asked, please comment for all the web related videos and Python related videos, live sessions. Please comment the videos. It will reach to more and more people, and they also can join for the live sessions tomorrow, and they can able to understand few things. Thanks for attending the session, and see you signing off.
Thanks.
Tomorrow we'll meet again at 8
We'll meet
a.m.
again. Right.
Bye for now. Have a
Bye
good
for
day.
now.